Fire hat. Nasaan yung fire hat? Hat. Nasaan yung hat? Very good. Nasaan yung umbrella? Very good. Nasaan yung strawberry? Very good. Nasaan yung rose? Yung flower na rose? Nasaan? Very good. Nasaan yung lipstick? Very good. Saan yung tomato? Very good. Now, nasaan yung book? Very good. Nasaan yung telephone? Nasaan yung toothbrush? Nasaan yung bowl? Bowl. Yun. Nasaan yung flower? Nasaan yung pen? Pen. Nasaan yung pen? Nasaan yung pen? Very good. Yippee! Galing-galing, neneng. Nasaan yung wheel? Nasaan yung wheel? Very good. Nasaan yung fish? Wow. Nasaan yung panda bear? Panda bear. Very good. Nasaan yung zebra? Nasaan yung zebra? Wow. Nasaan yung chalkboard? Nasaan yung chalkboard, neneng? Nasaan yung chalkboard, anak? Nasaan yung chalkboard? Yeah. Nasaan yung cow? Nasaan yung cow? Sabi niya, nasaan? Very good. Very good. Look. Nasaan yung banana? Nasaan yung banana, anak? Banana. Nasaan yung lemon? Lemon. Wow! Nasaan yung fish? Fish. Yun. Nasaan yung flashlight? Very good. Nasaan yung duck? Oh! Nasaan yung flower? Sunflower. Very good. Opo. Sabi nung bee, punta siya doon. Nasaan yung leaf? Nasaan yung leaf, anak? Yeah. Ay, yung apple. Nasaan yung apple, neneng? Very good. Nasaan yung beans? Nasaan yung beans, neneng? Beans, yeah. Nasaan yung frog? Nasaan yung frog, anak? Ay. Frog. Nasaan yung frog, neneng? No. Nasaan yung bird? Bird. Nasaan yung frog? Rabbit. Yeah. Nasaan yung balloon? Balloon. Very good. Oh, wow. Dami. Alam na niya.